In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset gaming keyboards. Now, to factory reset a gaming keyboard, the most common method is going to be pressing these two buttons simultaneously. Now, in most brands, it's going to be the function key, which is going to be Fn. And meantime, you then want to press the escape button. You want to press them together for around 3 to 5 seconds. Now, of course, there's a lot of keyboard models out there, and for some other methods, it's going to be something like function key, once again, and spacebar. There's function key, the J key, function key, the Z key, and then for the last option, you want to press the escape button, then plugging the USB. From there, this will completely reset your keyboard. Now, for the generic keyboards out there, it's going to be the Fn key, spacebar, or the Fn key, escape. For Corsair, it's going to be unplugging your keyboard, holding the escape button, and release escape after 5 seconds. Now, for the Razer Huntsman Mini, you then want to unplug your keyboard. From there, hold escape, caps lock, and then spacebar for around 60 seconds or 5 seconds, and from there you will be able to reset your keyboard. Now, for other brands like Keychron, it's going to be the function key plus J key plus Z for 4 seconds. For MSI, it's going to be the function key and escape key for 5 seconds once again. You can just try the following buttons that I've showed you right here, and from there you will be able to reset your gaming keyboard. And finally, to completely reset all of your keyboards, just head over to your Windows logo, right click on it, click on Device Manager, and from here you then want to look for your keyboards. Just click on the uninstall device, restart your computer, and from there this will reinstall the drivers back in, completely factory resetting all of our keyboards. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.